Beep makes reviewing websites and requesting changes super easy. For example, I want this Black Friday banner to encourage more immediate sales, so I'll ask my teammate to add the promotion dates. I also noticed that our best-selling helmets are located way down on the catalog, so I'll ask my teammate to feature them instead at the top of the page. Lastly, I want to inform my teammate that out-of-stock items, such as this red glove, should be labeled out of stock or removed from the catalog altogether. From my teammate's screen, when he opens the extension, he'll see the beeps I just sent presented in a clear and actionable way. From here, he can change the status of each task and reply to say he's working on it. He also has another option to manage tasks using Beep Web. Here, he can view the beep sent to him, change their statuses, and also reply. Now, he is setting all these beep statuses to do and heading over to the progress board view to work on each task until completion.